Hello everyone, it's Peter here from Right to Repair, UK. Guys, so it came time when I had a bit of a downtime. I had issues with sleep for a number of days. Unfortunately, I was waking up to 7 times to one kid, and I'm not even recovered properly, but I feel slightly better. Like I had, I think, over 8 hours of sleep today with 3 breaks only, so that's a good thing. But now I should have a bit better sleep for the next few days, fingers crossed. So we need to catch up with 2 Xboxes, because I bought 2 Xboxes faulty. Yes. So let's test both of them and see what the faults we will find. I'm quite curious what's wrong. As you see, it's too much stuff at one place, and so it's time to really make a space, because I'm walking and I can trip here, trip hazard. So okay, so I've got even started jobs, and to be true, I'm so tired. I feel so tired that I haven't finished them. It's no can do, Xboxes is something which I'm doing on a quite often basis. If I don't have Xboxes to fix, I'm buying faulty, I'm repairing, trying to resell. So I know most of the faults from top of my head, whereas with other faults where I need to focus on, I can't just like do whatever. Yes, because these devices, sometimes they are really simple to fix, and some of the devices are just not too simple to fix. Yes, so okay, so let me connect the first one, and we will press power button on the camera. See you soon. Sorry guys, it went longer than I thought. Unfortunately, my alarm was beeping loudly, and I had to charge quickly the battery. But I didn't have any charged ones, nor I had a new one, so I had to use my lab power supply, bench power supply, and charge quickly, like with a bit too much voltage for a few seconds, now 2 minutes, and then put it back, and now I'm charging another one. But it is what it is. Anyway, so you get an Xbox, you get a monitor here, and you don't see anything on the screen. And we've got black stuff here. Oh look, no power. If that's the case, that can be just the power supply, guys. Completely no power. Should have 230 volts, because this cable was working with that Xbox One X, I think. So it shouldn't be the case. So if that's the case, then we need to chase the power supply. Let's insert it, one, and let's insert it. Yeah, we got 230. You don't see clearly because of this. Now you see 249. So we can't blame the wire. Let us double check it. Well, either this would be a button, or the board here, or will be a power supply. Okay, so the red one is looking like the power supply. And let me plug in quickly the other one to see what's wrong with the other one. and let's press. Oh, we've got something, guys, but that's a beep on, beep off. That can be a rabbit hole. If we're lucky, that's just the power supply again. Yes, if we're lucky. If we're not lucky, then that can be a short on the main board. Okay, so yeah, let's do not go, let's don't do anything with it. We need to open them. Okay, that's what we need to do. We need to open them, and then we can verify. Do I have somewhere power supply for the Xbox One S which is open? Probably I don't. And if I don't, I need to open one, because I don't see any. I see one, so 1540 model, not 1681 model. So I need to open 3 Xbox One S's. Yay! Happy days! Okay, let us pause it and let me open another one with a good power supply this time. And then we can open those two, this and the second one, and try to replace. Yes, I would not be so sure about this one, is that power supply, because this could be a shorted MOSFET, for instance. Yes, I've got these MOSFETs, which is not a problem, and I've got faulty Xboxes as well, so I could use MOSFETs from there, but I'm not sure, 100% sure if that's the MOSFET on the power rail. Yes, so that's just my guess. Now about the second one, I'm most keen to the power supply, because we press this button and it doesn't do anything. So that's why I assume that would be a power supply. Yes, so let's see. This is still better than beep on, beep off, like it's going on and then it's going off after some time, because then it's chasing, whereas here it's looking like the short is on the power rail, or maybe there is a power supply issue as well. So that hopefully those both will be fixable. I paid £30 for both just in the last 2 weeks, I think. So we got 18th of May 2022, and both have Blu-ray. Yes, so that's a nice touch. I don't know if both Blu-rays will work or not, but advertisement was that there is an issue with power on, and it is for real. Let's pause it and let's look what next we can do. Or we can do short recordings, because that's 8 minutes. Let's do as a part 1, okay? And then I'll open them and I'll do another video diagnosis. Yes, so what we can find in them. So guys, thank you for watching in the part number 1, and let's see in the part 2, where we will be analyzing the first one, and then in part 3 we can analyze the second one. Yes, and then we can diagnose which fault will be easier. Then we will go for the one, and then when the fault will be more advanced, then we can go and even make it in 2 parts. But that was the diagnosis of 2 Xboxes One S. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.